must have guessed what I am cooking today. Yes, this is puti or puti maach, and this is one of my favorite things to eat. We are going to make some bati chochhori. So this is kacha machher bati chochhori. Again, this is also a very traditional Bengali recipe. It's very quick, but again, these are all forgotten recipes because we don't get these fish anymore. So I was lucky enough to get some puti maach. So you can see they are like so cute and they are so delicious. So we're going to make some puti machher bati chochhori. So what do we need for this? We need some diced, these are not diced, but finger potatoes. I've just cut them into thin fingers. Salt and sugar to taste. Some tomatoes, some green and red chilies, some onion nicely diced, some mustard oil, cilantro, and some garam masala, and of course turmeric. So we are going to first massage our puti maach with some turmeric and some salt. I have my pan over here and it's already hot, so I'm going to put in my mustard oil so that the oil nicely heats. Again, this is kacha machher bati chochhori, so you don't need to fry the fish. I'm going to put around 1 tablespoon of oil in there because bati chochhori is good when it's a little oily, little spicy, and with a lot of flavor. But again, you don't put a lot of stuff in it. How cool is that? We don't put a lot of stuff in it, but it's so delicious. So my oil is heating over there. I'm going to quickly mix up my tuna maach. You can make it with any kind of small tuna maach. And I am going to put in my onions, my potatoes. Everything goes in there together. So there is no frying. It's like a bati chochhori, so it cooks all together. I'm going to put in my tomatoes, and I will leave a link, description of all the measurements. And now I'm going to add my puti maach, the green chili, and give it a quick mix. Into that, I am going to add some Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now, if you want it really spicy, go ahead and put regular red chilli powder, but I'm not going to make it too spicy with the red chilli powder. So that's why I added around 5 green chilies. Some turmeric because you want that color. And now we are just going to put a tiny bit of water in there. That should do the trick. Give it a quick mix. And we are going to cover that up and cook it for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So, it's been like 7 to 10 minutes and I'm going to give it a quick mix. You can see the potatoes are completely cooked. This is so simple. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat my bowl of rice with this. So now in goes our garam masala. Again, this is very simple garam masala. If you want the recipe, I'll make sure to link it. And in goes my cilantro. And now when we are taking it out, we are going to add a generous amount of mustard oil. Oil right there. Go ahead, put some more. The more you put, the more delicious it is. These recipes, now come on, we don't everyday cook tuna machher jhal or tuna machher bati chochhori to eat a whole plate of rice. So when you do, make it worth it. So this is all done. We are going to plate this out in a bowl. Just a little bit more. Come on, I said make it worth it. So here you go. Your tuna machher bati chochhori or puti machher bati chochhori is ready to serve. Now, I am going to put a disclaimer. If you are trying to lose weight, do not make this recipe because you will end up eating a whole hottie or a whole plate of rice. So this is so delicious. I can literally eat my entire plate of rice with this. So make it, enjoy it, and leave me a comment. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe and share and press the bell icon for more recipes. Enjoy!